administrator code or fingerprint. Number management, press 1. Automatic locking function setting, press 2. Adjust volume, press 3. Network configuration, press 4. Exit setting mode, press lock key. Enable the function, press 1. Disable the function, press 2. Return to the pre-level. Please press lock key. Please input the delay time. Time range 10 to 99 seconds. Press the unlock key to confirm. Operation succeeded. Enable the function, press 1. Dismember exit setting mode. Lock opened.